Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. So this video is about the most expensive art material that I've purchased so far and the cheapest alternative for it. You can see the differences of these two pencils on your screen. This is Camlin and this is Pentel. As both of these mechanical pencils are of same size, that is 0.5 mm, I use Camlin 0.5 mm lead for both of these pencils. If you have seen my previous sketches, you must have seen me sketching with the Pentel pencil. And I keep getting queries from people like what pencil it is, from where I can buy it, etc, etc. So in this video, I'm not going to use this, but I'm going to use the cheapest alternative for it. Let's see if this can give me the same results or not. So at the end of this video, you will get to know the real difference. So here I'm sketching my favorite character from the TV world. And I'm just doodling to know the space that this sketch is going to take. I hope you can recognize him. So let's just erase it if you can't, and now I will sketch it seriously, starting with the eye. So you must have seen me that I always start sketching the eye first, and this is because I can relate the other facial features with it through vertical and horizontal lines. The vertical and horizontal lines that I use in almost all the freehand sketches that I do, it works just like a GPS, like the coordinates or y-axis, x-axis that you must have learned in school. Just like that, the latitude and longitude in GPS helps to locate any position on the earth. So just like that, I draw vertical and horizontal lines for my sketches which helps me to determine the location. If you will watch this video and analyze the method that I'm using and thoroughly practice it on your own, then you won't have any problem regarding sketching anything freehand. You can draw complex facial features in any pose, full body figures. You can literally draw anything freehand if you practice this method enough times, and you won't have to depend on grid method or tracing etc if you practice this. So I will recommend you to watch this video till the end. Don't skip it. It's for your own good. If you are a beginner, it's for you. I have struggled a lot with sketching and I have come up with this method, and I literally love it, and I will recommend you to give it a try, and I hope you will like this video. If you are a new viewer or you are coming to my channel for the first time, do subscribe this channel, friend. Do subscribe it. It's for you. It's for all the beginners. It's for art lovers. And if you want me to continue uploading such art videos and tutorials for you, then please subscribe. And also share this video and give it a thumbs up. Okay, now focus on sketching. You can find the link to the reference image in the description below. In the reference image, I have mentioned the steps that I usually go through for a front facing face, and you can apply the same steps for any other pose or any other object or any other thing or any other drawing or literally anything. Okay, just read the steps and try to analyze the method. Okay, thanks. Continue watching the video.
Started out with half and I flipped it into double. Started out with half and I flipped it into double. Said time again, we gotta go. Take one, then I dash away from Popo. Yeah, snakes around my grass, they want my dodo. But I keep a 40, they don't know, no. Got the Henny, you get cocoa. Smoke on Reggie, that's a no-no. Driving slow-mo in the photo. Bitches ready for them photos. I see all the things on my mind, yeah. Stacking money like 365. Cause this shit is real. Cause this shit is real.
So the sketch is almost complete and I hope that you do recognize him now. So I have sketched this with this 25 rupees Camlin mechanical pencil, which is 40 times cheaper than this. So you must be thinking, what was the point of purchasing a pencil which is this much costly? So now I will get straight to the point and will tell you some pros about this. So after having used this pencil for about 2 years, the only pro that is fair enough to justify its cost is its metallic body. It has a sleek design and it's fit your hands very well, and in the long run, if you are sketching for long hours, then using a heavy pencil will give you steady and clean strokes compared to this lighter pencil. This is the only difference apart from looks, otherwise you won't find any other difference between these two. So the choice is yours. If you are into sketching for long hours, then you should give it a thought. So that's it. I hope you have enjoyed this comparison video and the sketch of Mr. Jethalal. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.